people. After so long, I'm shooting a video, so it just feels so good. Uh, there was time when each time I'd get dressed for office, I'd think, oh my god, if only I didn't have to go and I could do my YouTube shootings. And today is the day when I didn't have to go because basically that's what I'm looking out for new opportunities. So that's what I'm on a break, and so that's why I could do this recording. I'm being so happy saying all of this. So people, yesterday I could finally sit down and finish reading this Chetan Bhagat, The Girl in Room 105. And oh my god, what a book! Yeah, I mean, Chetan Bhagat, the writer, we hardly associate him with crime thriller or something, but like what I like best about this book is that it all falls into place. I mean, like, what happens is with many, like, as of yesterday, I was watching a Telugu movie, which basically, I mean, you would wonder how is the story like this, but but with this book, Chetan Bhagat's The Girl in Room 105, it's when you reach the last chapter, it's like almost this aha moment, which is so, most often we speak of Chetan Bhagat in terms of a good writing style, witty writing style, but for the first time I found a plot that was like really good. So people, just go and get yourselves a copy of this book because it is fabulous. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.